Hello, welcome to the Pronghorn Productions channel. We've been a bit dormant lately, but we have some exciting news for 2025. Later this year, we expect to release several hour-long documentaries on nature and wildlife. So please hit that subscribe button and we'll keep you apprised. Until then, enjoy this 3-minute demo video. Cheers!
Shorebirds. To many people, the term conjures up the ocean coast with flocks of small birds running about. While that is true, there is so much more to shorebirds. In fact, they can be found all over North America, and often far from shore. There are approximately 50 species that breed on the continent, ranging from small brown unpretentious sandpipers to elegant long-legged beauties. One of the more common coastal birds is the sanderling. Although they breed up in the Arctic, they winter on both the Pacific and Atlantic coasts. Flocks of these birds can be seen running with the waves in search of food. Like the sanderling, the ruddy turnstone breeds in the Arctic but winters on the coasts of the United States and Mexico. This bird gets its name from its habit of turning over items looking for food underneath. The stately whimbrel is yet another bird that breeds in the Arctic and winters along the coasts. Like the sanderling and the ruddy turnstone, it has a worldwide distribution. But not all of these coastal beach birds breed in the Arctic. For example, the snowy plover nests on the Pacific coast beaches and the salt-encrusted mud flats of inland lakes. They rely on their camouflage to blend into their surroundings. A cousin of the snow plover is the piping plover. They nest in the alkali lakes of the upper Great Plains. Some birds also nest on the sandbars of the Missouri River. Both the snowy and piping plovers are considered endangered. Another endangered plover species is the mountain plover. However, the name is a misnomer as it occurs in the high plains, not the mountains. The upland sandpiper, also called the upland plover, is another shorebird that is not found near water, but rather in the grasslands of central North America. It is known in part for its calls. North America's largest shorebird, the long-billed curlew, also breeds in upland areas of western North America. Its long bill is used for picking up insects in its grassland summer home, and for probing in the mud in its winter coastal home. Whereas the curlew has a downward pointing bill, the marbled godwit has a long upward pointing bill. It too breeds in the grasslands of North America, but winters along the ocean. Perhaps North America's most striking shorebird is the American avocet. Rather than use their long bill to probe, they swipe it back and forth, filtering food out of the shallow water. The avocet nests in central North America, often along the edge of wetlands. Wilson snipe is almost totally a wetland bird. It uses its long bill to probe the soft mud for food. Why the snipe, and other shorebirds such as the spotted sandpiper, bob their butt, remains a mystery. One shorebird, the American woodcock, actually inhabits the forests of eastern North America. It's unusual among shorebirds in that it is somewhat nocturnal. The red-necked phalarope has gone to the other extreme. Other than when nesting, it spends all its time on water. Some shorebirds such as the king rail, found in eastern North America, and the sora, found all over, have become marsh birds. Because of their dense habitat, they are seldom seen. Even Death Valley deserts can host shorebirds, providing there's even a little bit of water. But perhaps the best place to see shorebirds is at estuaries. That is where they often reach their greatest concentrations, as estuaries are critical overwintering habitat for many species. From estuaries to deserts, to marsh, to wetlands, to forests, to grasslands, to ocean coasts, shorebirds are everywhere. North America's shorebirds, part of our biodiversity and heritage.